Open your eyes. The sun is already trying to kill you. It's not even noon. You're lying on a mat made of reeds. It doesn't help. The ground is hard. Your back is harder. Everything hurts. Welcome to ancient Egypt. You're building a pyramid, not a tomb, not a monument, so not a wonder of the world. A machine made of limestone and human suffering. How did you get here? Maybe you're a farmer during flood season with nothing else to do. Maybe you owe a debt. Maybe you were born into it. This doesn't matter. The stone doesn't care about your story. The only question, how long can you survive? Let's find out. I'm your guide. Still cynical. The jokes are drier now, like the desert. First, look around. You're in a quarry. Limestone. White. Hot. Blinding. Thousands of men. Chipping, hammering, carrying. No chains. Egyptians didn't chain their workers. Didn't need to. Where would you run? The desert? Good luck. Your tools. A copper chisel, a wooden mallet, a rope. That's it. Bronze is expensive. Iron doesn't exist yet. You have copper, a soft copper. You'll sharpen it 20 times a day. Your hands are already cracked. They'll get worse. Now, the work. You're part of a team. 30 men, one block. The block weighs 2 tons. 2 tons of rock that hates you. You cut grooves in the limestone. You hammer wooden wedges into the grooves. You pour water on the wedges. The wood expands. The rock cracks. That's genius. That's also slow. One block takes days, maybe weeks. Then you move it. Wooden sled, ropes, human muscles. You pull. Everyone pulls. Your feet slip in the sand. Your back screams. The overseer shouts. Dark humor moment. The pyramids are the only buildings where the workers were buried nearby. Not as a reward, because they died there. Now, the heat. You've never felt heat like this. 45 degrees, 113 in your units. The sun reflects off the white limestone. It burns your eyes. Your skin peels. You wrap yourself in linen. It helps, a little. You drink water from a clay jug. It's warm. It tastes like clay. You drink it anyway. Dehydration kills faster than the overseer. By noon, you've lost 2 liters of sweat. By sunset, 4. You'll never drink enough. Your urine is dark yellow, then brown, then you stop peeing. Yeah, that's when you're close. The workers who collapse, they get dragged to the shade, or if they wake up, they go back to work. If they don't, the desert takes them. Now, food, you get bread. Coarse, gritty, sometimes with sand baked in. Not good for your teeth. Beer. Not the fancy kind. Thick, grainy, low alcohol. It's calories. It's hydration. It's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Once a week maybe, onions, garlic. Fish if the Nile provided. You're never full. You're never satisfied. You're just not dead. Dark humor moment. The Egyptians believed in the afterlife. You're hoping it has better catering. Now the ramp. The block needs to go up. The pyramid is getting taller, higher than 20 meters now, higher than a 6-story building. They built ramps, mud brick, sloped, gradual. A ramp to the top takes as much material as the pyramid itself. You pull the sled up the ramp. The angle pushes against you. Your legs burn. Your lungs burn. The rope cuts into your shoulder. One slip. One guy losing his grip. The block rolls back. Men scatter. Some don't scatter fast enough. You've seen it happen. A man crushed under 2 tons of limestone. No sound, just wetness. Then the overseer yells at you to move the block off him. The block is more valuable than he was. That's not cruelty. That's math. Now, your body. Your spine is curved now. Years of pulling. Your knees are destroyed. Your lungs are full of limestone dust. You cough every morning. Gray phlegm. Your hearing is gone from the hammering. Your eyes burn from the sun and the dust. But you're still standing. Technically. The average pyramid builder lasted about 10 years. 10 years of this. Then your body gave out. Or you got unlucky, or you just stopped getting up one morning. Some lasted 20. Those were the exceptions, the ones with good genes, or good luck, or an overseer who liked them. Most died around 40, looked 60, felt 100. Now, the afterlife. The Egyptians believed that if you worked well, if you did your duty, you'd get a good burial, maybe a tomb near the pyramid, a few jars of beer for the journey. You don't care about the afterlife right now. You care about the shade, about water, about not being crushed. Dark humor moment. The pyramid you're building is for a king who will be mummified, wrapped in linen, covered in gold. his organs in jars, his body preserved for eternity. You'll be lucky if they throw your body in a pit. But you're helping build something that will last 5,000 years. That's something, right? Now, the end of the day, the sun sets, the heat breaks, the overseer blows a horn. You stop, you walk back to the workers' village, mud brick huts, row after row. You share a room with 10 other men. It smells like sweat and despair. You eat your bread, drink your beer, collapse on your reed mat. Tomorrow, another block, another ramp, another day of sun and stone. How long can you last? 10 years? 5? 1? Honestly, most modern people wouldn't last a week. Your skin would burn. Your back would give out. You'd cry for water that never comes. But you knew that when you started this video. You wanted to know if you could build a pyramid. Now you know. Maybe, if you were born into it, if you had no choice, if your body was harder than the stone, but you weren't. And it's not. So here's the deal. Comment below. How many weeks would you last? 1? 4? Are you brave enough to say, I'd make it a year? And if you want to survive somewhere else, somewhere with a different kind of horror, subscribe. Next time, we are going to Europe, where the Black Death is killing half of population. Spoiler, you are a plague doctor, but the mask won't save you. But that's for next time. For now, the sun is coming up. The overseer is shouting. The block isn't going to move itself. Better get to work. See you in the afterlife.